Today we're going to tie the square knot. Very easy to tie. The old adage is right over left. Left over right. And that is the square knot. That's what it looks like when it's tied. Again, right over left. Left over right. That's the square knot. Another way to tie it is make a bite in your rope. Come out of the loop, go around the back, go back in, and that's your square knot. Another knot you could tie from this is very easy. Instead of going back in this hole, come under the first line. That is the sheet bend. It's a little bit more secure. It's a binding knot, and it's tension on this binds on this other end. That is the sheet bend. This is the square knot. If you like this video, subscribe, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Until next time, thanks for watching.